There's one more feature worth knowing before we move on. It's a memory trick that keeps your bill from creeping up over time. A quick word on tokens first, because it's the concept that makes dreaming matter. Tokens are the chunks of text the AI model actually sees. Every word in your message, every line of your agent's memory, every bit of context it pulls in. You get charged per token. So the more context the model has to carry, the more each message costs you. That's the problem dreaming solves. Remember memory.md, the daily log? Every conversation gets written there. The file grows, and pretty soon your agent is dragging thousands of tokens of old conversation into every new message. Dreaming is the agent going back through its own memory while you're not using it, compressing what matters and dropping what doesn't. So it stays sharp about you without token cost creeping up forever. There are 3 phases. Light dreaming skims the last day, pulls out anything important, and updates user.md with new facts about you. REM looks for patterns across a longer window. Things like, every day, Matt asks about this. Deep rewrites big chunks of memory into a cleaner, more compressed form. The net effect is fewer tokens carried forward, but the tokens that remain are the ones that actually matter to you. Alright, here's how to access dreaming. On the left side, scroll down to dreaming under the agent section and select it. Then, at the top right, you can see it's off by default. Just click the dreaming off button to toggle it to on. When you do this, it'll restart your gateway dashboard, and this can take a few minutes. Dreaming is off by default because it burns tokens. Those calls show up on your provider bill, like OpenAI or Anthropic, the same place you're already watching for balance. And this is what it'll look like when dreaming is active. Now, I recommend leaving it off for your first week of usage and see if your agent feels useful enough without it, just because it burns through extra tokens to run the process. I recommend turning it on once you have maybe a month of memory built up. That's when the compression starts paying off.